Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, now let's move to the details of this video. As far as we are concerned with this video, then I am here with you along with a very stylish, very beautiful and very pretty but easy to make hand embroidered flower patterns and design ideas, that how you can design your own masks with a very beautiful and pretty design ideas. Yes friends, this video collection is beneficial for many reasons for you. First thing, that if you are sitting at home or you are getting bored or you want to utilize your leisure time and you can create a very beautiful and useful thing, you can make this entire pattern of hand embroidered face masks. Like this very beautiful cactus and mini plants could be made on masks. Some birds embroidery could be done, some animals and some pets could be made to make them more creative and more mesmerizing, like these parrots. Friends, first of all, you can use these as single individual for the sake of interest, that is embroidery beginners, embroidery lovers, or the persons who know the art of hand embroidery and know how to make embroidery stitches can make use of these very beautiful design patterns. And secondly, if you are a low earner or you want to make a setup or make a handsome amount of earning with no cost of investment, then this collection is entirely for you. You can simply make these masks at home and sell them in a very handsome and decent amount, because face masks is the urgent, basic and essential need of everybody these days, because COVID-19 is a very dangerous virus and many new viruses have been discovered. So it is very important for us and essential for us to take care of ourselves, to make sure our health is secured, because health is upper than anything. So these masks are purely linen based, 3-layered masks with inner filter pocket. They are reusable, washable, lightweight, soft and comfy, with nose wire and adjustable plastic, elastic based, colorless or white color adjustable ear straps. So friends, these mini flowers could also be used as face mask design patterns or for designing a shirt, that is you can make all over flower patterns for your shirt or kurti. And these beautiful pretty floral patterns could also be made on your sweaters or hand knitted stuff like gloves, hats, socks and many more accessories as per your requirements. So friends, I hope that my today's video was useful and helpful for you. If you really like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share with your friends and family. Thank you so much. We will soon be back with you along with some new design ideas. Up till then, take care.